All right, so today we're doing a deep dive on something a little different.
Okay.
Yeah, just one source this time.
Interesting.
It's a customer testimonial video about LegalShield.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's one of those, those personal story format videos with like text and visuals and stuff.
I've seen those.
Yeah, like the classic, I never thought I'd need this type of deal.
Yeah, yeah.
But um but it's how they tell the story this time. I think that is interesting.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, most people don't really think about legal help, I guess, until they really need it, right?
Exactly. I mean, it's not something that's usually top of mind for most folks
Right.
until they find themselves in a situation where they suddenly need it and then they're like, "Oh, wait, I should have thought about this before."
Yeah, exactly. And that's actually how this customer in this video starts off their story.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they basically say, I never thought I'd need a lawyer until I did. Yeah. And then right after they say that, like right as they're saying it, you see this text that pops up on the screen that says, legal advice. Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah, like,
Yeah.
what do you think they're trying to get at with that?
Well, I think they're going for that. You never know when you might need legal advice angle.
Right.
Like it could be anywhere, at home, at work, on vacation, who knows?
Yeah.
And they're saying that Legal Shield can be there for you no matter what.
So they're playing on that fear.
Yeah.
Of like, oh, what if something happens and I need a lawyer right now?
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
a smart strategy.
So this customer goes on to talk about how they got into a dispute with their landlord.
Oh, boy.
And they said that LegalShield was a lifesaver.
Hey, bet.
Have you ever had any landlord issues?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I mean, who hasn't?
Yeah, like what happened?
Well, one time I had this leaky roof.
Ugh.
It was awful. It was raining inside my apartment.
No way.
Yeah, and the landlord just wouldn't fix it.
Oh, that's terrible.
I know. And I didn't know what to do. I didn't know my rights.
Yeah,
I wish I had Legal Shield back then.
I bet.
Because, like, imagine you're in that situation and you don't know what your legal options are.
Right.
And you have someone who can walk you through everything and advocate for you.
Yeah, that'd be huge.
It can be a total game changer.
Yeah. And that actually leads into the next part of this video.
Okay.
The customer says, like, now I don't worry about the what ifs because LegalShield has my back.
That's a powerful statement.
Right. They're really selling that feeling of security.
Totally.
Yeah.
Like, you can just relax knowing that you have legal protection if you ever need it.
It's almost like an insurance policy,
Exactly.
but for legal stuff.
Yeah.
So then the video wraps up with this call to action.
Okay.
The customer basically says, if you want affordable and reliable legal help, give LegalShield a try. You won't regret it.
It's interesting that they don't actually go into detail about what Legal Shield does or how it works.
Right.
They just focus on the feeling you get from having it.
Yeah, they're selling peace of mind.
Ex
So yeah, this customer started out thinking they didn't need legal services,
Right.
and then they had this problem with their landlord, and LegalShield helped them out.
And now they feel protected.
Exactly.
It makes you think, like, what if you had that kind of support?
Yeah.
How would that change the way you approach things? Like, would you feel more confident in your everyday decisions?
Right. Or less worried about unexpected problems.
Exactly, because you would know that you have legal help if you need it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Food for thought, right?
Definitely. Yeah.